In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pipedrive to Make. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflows or simply manage your sales processes more effectively, integrating Pipedrive with Make can be a game changer. We'll walk through each step clearly and carefully to ensure you're set up for success. First, make sure you're logged into your Make account because that's where everything begins. Navigate over to your Make dashboard. This is your starting point. It's like the main hub where all your integrations and workflows will be managed. From here, you're going to look for the option to create a new scenario. Think of scenarios as the framework for your automation. It's how you get Make to start doing the work for you, saving heaps of time and effort. Now, once you're in the scenario creation area, type Pipedrive in the search bar. This lets Make know what you want to connect. Then select Pipedrive CRM when it appears. By doing this, you're telling Make that Pipedrive will be one of the applications you will be using in this scenario. It's kind of like picking your main player for a team. Next, you'll want to choose an action from Pipedrive, such as creating a deal or any other action that suits your needs. This step is crucial because it defines what kind of tasks you'll be automating. If you're unsure, don't worry. You can always customize this later based on the specific operations you use most frequently. Click on the option to create a connection. This connection is what links your Make account with Pipedrive, allowing data to flow between them seamlessly. Now you'll be asked to select the connection type. For Pipedrive users, choosing Pipedrive OAuth is typically the best way to go. OAuth is a secure way to authorize. Make to access your Pipedrive information without needing to share any sensitive passwords or login details. With these choices made, you can hit Save. This action records your settings, ensuring nothing is misplaced as you continue with the integration process. Moving on, make sure you click on Allow and Install Permissions. This step authorizes Make to interact with Pipedrive on your behalf, granting the necessary permissions required for a successful integration. Finally, the last step involves filling in any specific details related to your scenario and then hitting Save once more. Here's where you can input tailored details to fine-tune how your Pipedrive and Make settings interface with one another. And that's it. Your Pipedrive should now be successfully connected to Make, ready to start optimizing your processes. Remember, integrating these tools can significantly enhance your business operations by automating routine tasks, allowing you to focus on more strategic efforts. Thanks for watching and happy automating.